Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a visa to visit Turks and Caicos Island. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing we should check is, do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, residence, place, or even other visas we hold, we may or may not need a visa. So, so when it comes to this Turks and Caicos Island, I have opened this government website of Turks and Caicos Island, and there are requirements given along with the checklist. But before we go through that, see what are the countries and territories whose national and citizens do not require visas for the Turks and Caicos Islands. Nationals of countries and territories who are listed, who not listed in table below, who are lawful resident of UK, US, America, Canada, or who are holders of valid visa permitting their travel to any of these three countries may be granted leave to enter the islands without a Turks and Caicos Island visa. So that means if you are a citizen of these countries, you don't need to worry about anything. Even if you are not and you fall under this exception, that's why I said Canada visa, UK visa, US visa very powerful. You can still be granted to enter uh, without a visa. Now the question arises, where are you gonna apply for this visa? So you can apply it at any British consulate embassy because Turks and Caicos Island is one of the British overseas territories. All right, what are the things we need? Application form, fully completed. We'll go through this. Two photos must be certified by the Justice of Peace, a current police record from the country of origin, job letter if self-employed, proof of company business license, bank reference letter, passport must be valid 6 months prior to expiration date. Okay, copy of COT identification, covering letter, original school letter, parents' legal status. Okay, that if applicable, evidence of COT legal status in okay, fine. Administrative fee upon approval and additional payment. Wow. All right. Now let's go through the form. Same thing they have given here. Now you need to select which one you apply. Let's say you're applying based on multiple entry, then you'll do that. Personal detail, date of birth, place of birth, gender, marital status, how much children you have, spouse details, mother's full name, parental nationality, father details, contact details for the visitor, of course. Passport details, be very careful with these. Employment details in your home country. Okay. Immigration details. Okay. Complete each section below regarding your present or previous immigration. So have you ever worked in, okay. What type of work? Employer. Have you ever held a residence permit? Have you ever endorsed any of the following? Okay. Character details, offense, criminality. To be completed if applying for single entry. Okay. Section 8. Multiple entry visa. Then you need to do this. Student visas, we are not working through the Seaman visa not working. Surety. Okay. There's also a very simple section. Declaration, date sign. All right. There's a personal bond also that you need to fill up in presence of witness. Okay. The department name of Justice of Peace Notary. So it has to be notarized also. Okay. And there's some witness signature also. All right, guys. So this process is pretty simple. I hope you like this video. Please give subscribe and uh, thanks for watching.